So I'm about to be showing y'all how to exercise in nature. Oh, use the earth as your gym. If you can't go to the gym, you can't get a membership, it's cool. Here's what you do. You find 2 rocks that are like, you know, kind of heavy weight on them. And as far as like lifting weights and stuff, you just like that. And that's all you do. You can do this with heavier rocks too if you want something heavy. You know, but this shit is heavy as hell. And it's like after doing this for about, I do it until I get tired of doing it. So, until my arms get tired. It's a form of working out. It's like lifting weights. Alright, so that's that with those rocks. Now I'm gonna show you a good like leg, like this part, strengthen that part, whatever that is. So what I'm gonna do is put y'all, 2 big rocks in here. So I'm gonna get one like that, and you're gonna like go like this. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm just lifting up this part of my foot. And then you're gonna feel the burn like all right here. And then do that with this one. So I keep doing that. You can go like this. Or if you want, you can do that. And you can have the rocks too. So if you want to do legs like that, and it can like help you focus too. Or you can just stand like this too. Because even doing this is like, whew, these are some heavy ass rocks. So, that's the fun of working out too. Or you can do like that. You know, you can do all that. Alright, so now, I'm about to play baseball. Okay, they want to stay there. So let me see. So I got this. Now I gotta wrap it up this way. Like oh my gosh, what is that? All right, like that. And I found this outside, sadly. Secure that somewhere. My baseball bat. Alright, y'all. So the next exercise is gonna be, I don't know a name for it, but it's gonna do your legs good. It's good for legs. So let's do this is so fun. These, whatever this is, I think it's supposed to be like this, but I can't do that. That shit is too much.